If you come across this animal, bow your head to it, and if it bows back, then you can get acquainted with it. But if it looks at you with this look, run away immediately. What will happen? Watch the entire video to find out and give this little bird a like and subscribe. This is a shoebill stork with its sharp beak. They can hunt small crocodiles and are usually quite gentle, but if they get annoyed, they will make sounds to warn you. Then they will stand still and look directly at their opponent. If the opponent is not afraid, they will use their sharp beak to attack.